So how'd you like to take a shot like this and turn it into this? Or even this? In this video, I'll show you how to use an exceptional raw photo editor, ON1 Photo Raw, to create what I lovingly call faux macro images. Now I use the term faux macro images because, well, they're not created using expensive macro lenses, close-up lenses, or even extension tubes. I'm using a Canon 18-135 lens on an old Canon 77D that has a minimum focus distance of just under 18 inches. These images are made using photos captured in the camera in RAW format, which are then processed, cropped, and resized using ON1 Photo Raw. It's really a simple process. Oh, by the way, I'll place a link in the description below so you can download and practice with a free trial version of ON1 Photo Raw, all for yourself. Okay, on with showing you just how easy this is. First, open your photo in the Edit tab of ON1 Photo Raw. Now in the Develop tab, click on AI Auto. It gives you a basic to start with, and you can adjust the parameters or crop. Scroll down to Noise and Sharpening and click on No Noise AI. And once that's done, you can also adjust things in there if you wish. Now you can crop and resize using the new ON1 Resize AI. Click Resize AI. Choose the size you want. Man, I really like the sharpening ability of this program. Once again, you can make any adjustments that you like. Click Done and name your file. So here's the resulting images. I might as well show you another set as well. So here's a wee bumblebee. This is out of the camera at minimum focus distance. We've cropped it in just to the bee. And now I've done an extreme crop. Well, I hope this was helpful for you. Now, by the way, I've also done a video on affordable macro photography using close-up lenses and extension tubes. Check it out as well. There's a link above. And oh yeah, as I mentioned earlier, check the description below for a link to your free trial of ON1 Photo Raw. Well, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And then hit that bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.